Hi, my wonderful friends. Welcome once again to another Olympiad Mathematics class. So we shall quickly treat our last exercise. And the question is, if x squared minus y squared equals 24 and y squared minus z squared equals 16, solve simultaneously to find the value of x, y, z. Now, first of all, we are going to rearrange the equation, especially equation 2. So we have equation 1 still intact. So we have x squared minus y squared equals 24. Then we arrange equation 2 to be minus z squared plus y squared equals 16. We are rearranging to make y to be on the same line. So the next thing we are going to do is to add both equation 1 and equation 2 together. So we add together, we have x squared plus minus z squared will give us x minus z squared. Then minus y squared plus y squared. Plus times plus is still plus, so minus y squared plus y squared will give us 0. That will be eliminated. Then 24 plus 16 will give us 40. So we now have x squared minus z squared equals 40. Using the difference of two squares rule, because we have x squared minus z squared, we have two squared there, x squared and z squared. Then the difference there is the minus. So that's why we are using the rule now. So we have x squared minus z squared equals 40. So we use difference of two squared. We have x minus z into bracket and x plus z into bracket equals 40. So since we now try to find the factors of 40, we are going to limit ourselves to only 2 times 20 and 4 times 10. Now we have other factors like 8, 5, 8 times 5, 4 times 1, minus 4 times minus 10, minus 20 times minus 2, but we are going to limit ourselves to only 2 times 2, 2 times 20 rather, and 4 times 10. Now going by the difference of two squared that gave us x minus z, x plus z equals 40. We split the two equations, then we have two simultaneous equations. So we have, if you go by the first two factors of 40, 2 times 20, then we give the 2 to x minus z and give the 20 to x plus z. Then we are to add the two equations together, equation 1 and equation 2. If we add together, we have x plus x will give us 2x. Minus z plus z will give us 0. that will be eliminated. Then 2 plus 20 will give us 22. So we have 2x equals 22. Now we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So we now have 2x equals 22. 2x over 2 equals 22 over 2. Then 2 cancels 2 at the left side, so we have x remaining. Then 22 divided by 2 will give us 11. That means the value of x now is 11. So we'll plug in the value of x, which is 11 now, in equation 1. So we plug it in. Equation 1 is x minus z equals 2. So plugging in the 11 as x, we have 11 minus z equals 2. If we collect the like terms, we have minus z equals 2 minus 11. Then minus z equals minus 9. The minus cancels, minus z equals 9. Using the other two factors of 40, which is 4 times 10, to solve the simultaneous equation, we give 4 to x minus z and 10 to x plus z. So we have the two equations now. X minus z equals 4 as our equation, and x plus z equals 10 as the second equation. Now from here, if we add the two equations together again, we have x plus x is 2x. Minus z plus z is 0. That's eliminated already. Then 4 plus 10 is 14. So we now have 2x equals 14. So if we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2, then we have 2x over 2 equals 14 over 2. 2 cancels 2 at the left side, we have x left. Then 14 divided by 2 is 7, so we have x equals 7. We plug in the value of x, which is 7 now, in any of the equation. Let's pick equation 1. So we replace x by 7. So we now have 7 minus z equals 4. Now minus z, if you collect the like terms, minus z equals 4 minus 7, because that's plus 7. Or you minus 7 from both sides. That's additive inverse. So we have minus z equals 4 minus 7 will give us minus 3. So we have minus z equals minus 3. We divide by minus 1, or the minus sign cancels each other. We have z equals 3. So from equation 2, y squared minus z squared equals 16. So when z is 3, we can plug in the value of z to be 3. Then we can now find the value of y. So we have y squared minus 3 squared equals 16. So we have y squared minus 9. That is 3 squared is 3 times 3, 9 equals 16. So y squared equals, add 9 to both sides or take minus 9 to the other side, then it becomes plus 9. Then we have y squared equals 16 plus 9. Then y squared equals 25. So if we square root both sides, then the square root will cancel the square on y. So we have y left. So we have y equals plus or minus square root of 25. So we have y equals plus 5 or minus 5. Now, from x squared minus y squared equals 24, we want to plug in the value of x as 7 that we got earlier. So if you plug it in, then you replace x by 7, then we have 7 squared minus y squared equals 24. So 7 squared will give us 7 times 7, and that's 49. Then minus y squared equals 24. So if we collect the like terms or subtract 49 from both sides, since that 49 is plus 49. So we use the inverse of 40 plus 49, that's minus 49. So we minus 49 from both sides. So we have minus y squared equals 24 minus 49, because minus 49 will cancel plus 49. Or you can as well take plus 49 to the other side, and then it becomes minus 49. Then we have minus y squared equals minus 25. So the minus will cancel out the minus, or you divide both sides by minus 1. Then we have y squared equals 25. Then if we square root both sides, the square root on y squared will cancel out the square, so we have y left. Then we have y equals plus or minus square root of 25. Then y equals plus 5 or minus 5. We are going to limit ourselves to just two values of y here, two ways of getting the values of y. We can still go further using other values, like that of when x was 11, and then the other x, then other values from factors of 40. But we are going to stop here, because we have been able to at least get all the values we needed, though not all the values, because we have different solutions to getting the values of y, x, and z. So our next exercise will be 4 raised to power 37 minus 8 raised to power 24, all divided by 4 raised to power 36 plus 2 raised to power 73. Simplify. So till next class, don't forget to click the subscription, notification, like button, and to share the videos with your friend. Thank you.